Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my page, and today we are tying another head wrap. This head wrap we are looking at on the screen, that is what we are tying, and it is quite simple. Yeah, if you want to do it, it's quite simple. So we are starting by making a foundational pleat. That's like two or three pleats. Then you place it on your head after making the pleat. Make sure when you make your pleat it reach the length of your ear so that it gets well laid and straight. All right, so after that you cross it at the back, adjust the middle so that it will close up. Then the first one, the first excess, you pick it up and you twist it as seen the way I'm doing it. When you finish twisting it up, place it on the pleat you have made and you secure it. If you notice, you can see that twist I didn't finish it up. I remain some parts untwisted, which I'm using to make my rows now. Can you see the way I make it? So just turn your hand, like continue turning, it will form your rows. And I intentionally leave that edge because I want it to stand like that. Now I've finished turning it to form the rows. Then I'll need my office pin to secure it so that it will stand by itself. Try all you could do to make sure that it's done by using your pin. Make use of your pin. All right, so done with that. I'm just trying to adjust and make sure that it is firm. So I'm working with the other part now. I'm twisting it as well. So see the way I'll be placing it. I'll be placing it at the back of that one, like that. And look at the next stage. I'll just dip that excess into the twist I've made here. Just dip it in there and pull it out. Yeah, and it gives me this, which I'll also be working with now, guys. So you see, this my materials is soft. Let me use that word. It's soft because I've been using it for a while, so it's not giving me that pleat I want. So I just try to fold it, then I take it to that head and pin it down. I'll be straightening it up to meet these rows and pin it down as well. So I keep on pinning till it gives me the shape I want, and that was how I achieved this head wrap. Okay, when I started, I just know that I want to tie something. I never had the clue of what I wanted to tie. I said, okay, let me just try. When I start this, the inspiration will start coming. So that was how I achieved it, and I found it very simple, and I think at least one can rock it out now. How, what do you feel, my people? So let me hear from you guys. Drop your comments. Is it good enough for me to rock out? Are you going to try it? What do you think? Let me know, guys. Okay, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to follow for more airdrop tutorial if you haven't followed my page. Okay, and I'll be dropping off more simple airdrop. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.